This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty's /Lake Country property video is presented by KStevens. Spacious 5-bedroom 4-5-bath home in beautiful Harbor Club. Main level has hardwood floors throughout. Open floor plan with breakfast area and dining room. Vaulted ceiling and living room with fireplace and built-ins. Master suite has sitting area, built-ins and custom designed closet. Upper level has 2 bedrooms, bath and den or office area. The terrace level has large den and game room area plus 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. You have large deck, screen porch and terrace for outdoor living. Golf membership available. For more information, review the details below or contact KStevens at 706-252-8020.